Hi and good day. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how you can calculate intermediate pressure rating using B16.34. Let us consider a scenario where the material is carbon steel, pressure is 260 bar and temperature is 75 degrees centigrade. This combination of pressure and temperature may not be available in the real world, but let us take this as an example to calculate the actual pressure rating. Screen, you can see that the pressure is actually between 1500 to 2500, but it is very close to 1500 rating. Okay. In this, ideally what we can do is we can select the rating as 2500 and the valve thickness will be 40 mm for a 6-inch valve. We are considering a 6-inch valve here, so the thickness will be 40 mm in this case. Okay, now what we can do is, if you go to a separate annexure in B16.34, okay, they have given the pressure temperature matrix as you can see on the screen, and there are formulas given. There are three formulas given. One, to find out two pressures at 1500 and 2500, the intermediate between the two. We will ignore this equation because it is applicable for pressure classes 150 and 300 only. However, it is not advisable to go for intermediate rating for 150 or 300 rating. Ideally, it is suited for say 900 and above class. The reason is that if you see the increase in thickness, it's around 40% for each rating. Here, as you can see in the matrix, we have this value, we have this value, and we have all this value. We don't have this intermediate values here. These values we will calculate based on the formula. Temperature is this, so we have to locate. For example, for 75 degrees centigrade, the temperature will be 50 and 100, as you can see here, 50 and 100, and the pressure in our case will be 250, 237, 417 and 383. So these four pressures we are going to consider. Rating is 1500 and between 2500. For example, if you want to consider a scenario is between where the rating is in the intermediate rating is falling between 2500 and 4500, then we have to consider these two. The pressure will be 417, 751, like that. So here we have put all these values, four pressure values, two ratings, okay, and we are calculating PIL and PIH, lower value and higher value based on the formula that are given here. And then once we have these two values, then we can calculate the pressure rating, that is based on this formula. It is very simple and straightforward using linear interpolation, which is allowed in this case. So you can calculate the pressure rating. Now let us see how we can calculate the thickness of the valve. Similarly, in B16.34, the relation between the diameter inside dia and the thickness is given, as you can see on the screen. Here for 6-inch, for 1500 it is 136.4, and for 2500 is 111. Okay, so our inside dia will be the value between two. You can simply do a linear interpolation and you can calculate the value as 134. Now for 134 we have to calculate the thickness. What will be the thickness? You can simply use the same logic. Actually, you can do the interpolation, and there are three formula again given, and we are using those three formulas to calculate. There will be two tables that will be used, that is table A-1 and table 3A. These two tables we will use. Okay, all the values, there will be four thickness values which are given here. There will be three diameters, that will be, one will be for 1500 rating and another one will be 2500 rating, and one will be for the intermediate. So based on this, we are calculating the thickness as 29.63. Now the initial thickness that we have calculated was 40 mm, Here it is around 30 mm. So there is a difference of 25% in both these values. Now when you consider this for the number of valves that you are considering, it's a significant saving to the customer, and the customer can be benefited in terms of having a good valve which follows the pressure and temperature requirements, as well as a much lighter valves. For him, even the civil construction work for the supports and this will be much lower. So in this case, what you can do is that you are giving a good solution to the customer, and you have a better chance of winning the order.